Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We are testing out this new GoPro Hero 9 Black. That is right, I have now upgraded to a new GoPro. Thank you to my parents for an awesome Christmas gift. I guess the gift of creating was very much evident this Christmas. I love it. I'm so happy and so grateful that my parents were able to do this for me. Another thing I'm super happy about, and I haven't announced quite yet to you guys, I've actually made a few videos, but it was on a lens from my old A6400 that was just simply not working. But guys, I bought myself a new camera. This is with my own money. Probably a lot of people are blown away that I'm making all these terrible purchases right now, but hopefully it pays off in the end, because I will be posting a video at least every week, and probably more than that. I got a lot of cool things planned, so stay tuned guys, it's gonna be so cool. So anyway, Hero 9 Black, that's kind of the focus on this video. I will of course go through my new A7C and a new video, and of course I also got a lens for it as well, and it's a 20mm prime lens. But anyway, without talking about that anymore, we're gonna talk about our new GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this is something that really stood out to me, and actually I wasn't super keen on upgrading my Hero 7 Black, because both of them have Hyper Smooth. However, this is the third iteration of Hyper Smooth. Now, Hyper Smooth is just an internal image, or it's stabilization essentially. I get the words mixed up, but it is just stabilization. It smoothens out the image, and it prevents any of that ugly jumpiness that some cameras may have. Now the cool thing is with GoPro is it's such a compact camera, to have that type of feature is wicked and cool. So yeah, so I do have the third iteration with this Hero 9 Black. And of course, with this new GoPro, it comes with different batteries for my Hero 7, so I need to kind of upgrade my battery arsenal, and that's okay, because I'll probably end up selling my old GoPro. Probably locally. I know probably some people may be asking for it, but chances are I'll probably sell it locally around here, just because I hate doing the whole shipping process. It's not my favorite thing. But anyway, yeah, so the cool thing about the Hero 9 is the fact that it does come with different attachments, and one of the attachments that I was very grateful to also get for Christmas was the microphone attachment. Now this thing is pretty cool because it attaches into the charging port, so it utilizes that for power supply and obviously for data collection. And all the mic settings and everything, it all just, everything just connects into one. So it's almost like I'm looking like at one big GoPro shell with obviously a microphone attached. Now I did throw on the, I guess what I know is dead cat, but it's probably just the wind reducer. I guess we'll call it a wind reducer, not a dead cat. But I did throw on the wind reducer, and hopefully it is still picking up my voice plenty fine. I don't necessarily need it for in the car, but chances are, I do like to roll the windows down. I like to make noise, so it doesn't hurt to have it on. So anyway, wicked excited about that. As far as POV drives go, so the Hero 9 is noticeably bigger than the Hero 7, and especially with the mic adapter, it's just way bigger. So chances are I'm going to be probably looking at not using the microphone attachment when I do my POV drives, but it also entertains the idea of potentially switching them up and again changing my camera angle. So it's all things I need to consider. I gotta test it. Haven't done any POV drive. This is actually the first time I turned on this camera. I just turned it on, started recording, and here we are driving through town. So pretty exciting stuff, guys. I really do like this new GoPro. It's pretty good, and I like the fact that I can also see when I'm recording. Sometimes I find that after recording after a long video, and unfortunately this is this has resulted in having to throw away videos, but I've been out of frame, and this time I can kind of see it has like a nice little display on the front. It's not a touch active display, I don't think, so I can't really touch it. It doesn't change any settings. However, the rear display is actually even bigger, because obviously the GoPro is even bigger, but yeah, it's so cool. So I'm very grateful that my parents were able to do this for me. And yeah, I mean, I really don't know what else to say. I have a lot of cool videos planned for you guys, so stay tuned for that. One thing I also want to just say is I hope you guys had a really healthy and happy Christmas. I was very fortunate to see some family members, and of course, yeah, yeah, you know, it's good. It's good to kind of do the best you possibly can, of course being safe and following guidelines. But yeah, guys, it's a crazy world we're living in right now. But I promise, and I vow to you guys, that now that I'm especially done with classes for at least the fall semester, that I'm going to be making more videos for you guys. And I kind of want to give you that content because I know some people, you know, they really like to watch my videos, especially during these times. And to that, I want to really just express my appreciation for all of you guys who've supported me, because not only, you know, do I feel like you know, the videos, like, they've been really fun for me to make, but also your guys' engagement and your comments and everything has helped me get through this entire pandemic myself. So I'll give you guys one little pull. It sounds fantastic. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.